Hi friends, I'm John Laspina. I'm a carnivore, and today I want to talk about magical products. Did you hear that apple cider vinegar has magical properties and can do all these amazing things in your body, and you need to go out and buy lots of bottles of apple cider vinegar and make sure you're ingesting that daily because it's going to do this, that, and the other thing. Did you also know that raw honey has magical properties, and you need to get some really expensive, good, raw honey from certain honey farms where the bees are tended carefully and they pollinate just the right flowers. That honey has magical chemicals and properties, and if you have spoonfuls of this raw honey, you are going to be so healthy, and it's going to do this for you and do that for you. Of course, I'm being sarcastic, aren't I? There is nothing magical in any of these products. Apple cider vinegar has no carbohydrates, which is kind of cool. It's not bad for you, but it's also not a magical elixir. Apple cider vinegar is acidic. If you have indigestion, instead of taking a Tums, you want more acid, by the way, you can have a couple tablespoons mixed with water, some apple cider vinegar, and maybe your indigestion will go away. That's not magic. That's science. That's acids and bases, okay? Honey is maybe 60 to 70% fructose, 30 to 40% glucose. That's all honey is. Maybe there's some trace vitamins. Maybe there's some trace minerals. But honey is sugar, ladies and gentlemen. There's no magical properties. The microscopic whatever that might be in honey that some people are saying are magical, this sugar cancels all that out. Sugar cancels out a lot of any nutrition. If you're taking vitamin C, sugar negates the vitamin C. Any kind of gummies, the sugar negates whatever's in the gummy. Honey is pure sugar. It's fructose and glucose, ladies and gentlemen. It has more fructose usually. That's why it's so sweet. It's sticky. It glycates inside your body as well. So stay away from all the magical products. Anything else that you can think of. I just said two of them, apple cider vinegar and honey. This tea, that tea, nothing is magical. You know what is magical is getting nutrition, eating animal products until you're satiated, eating products with as close to one ingredient as possible. That's not even magical. That's just human biology and nutrition. You will feel your best. Your body is running on the highest octane fuel you can possibly feed it. When you don't feed it excess sugar, any sugar really, any plant material. Now, there's a lot of people that probably don't like that I'm talking about plants in a not so nice way. I don't eat plants anymore. You can have them. I choose not to eat them anymore. I weaned off of them and I feel better. Plants have anti-nutrients. A lot of plants can be used for medicine, and they just, not the plants by themselves, but they take certain plants and they extract things and they chemically change them to make medicine. Maybe there's some magic there. I'm talking about, don't waste your money buying a product because somebody said it's magical. They're all trying to make money off of you. It's a wallet biopsy. Do I use apple cider vinegar? Almost never anymore. I used to. In the morning, I'll have water with a squeeze of lemon and apple cider vinegar and some salt and electrolytes. I don't even do that much anymore. I used to do that more just to flush out my kidneys, but I don't need to do that. We didn't used to do that hundreds of years ago and thousands of years ago. We didn't think to ourselves, oh, I have to flush out my kidneys. You know why? Because I'm eating the most optimal diet now. I don't need to flush out my kidneys. I don't have toxins because I didn't eat toxic food. My kidneys don't need to be flushed, so I don't need the apple cider vinegar. It's okay, but I don't need it. I don't need honey. Boy, do I love it though. Oh, who doesn't, right? It's sweet. But I don't have it because it stimulates my sweet addiction. So ladies and gentlemen, don't be fooled by magical products because they're just somebody trying to take your money. All right, be smart and eat cleanly and you'll feel your best. Take care.